MP Higher Education Department E-Content for PG classes, MSc Chemistry, Final Year, Semester 3rd, Paper 2, Unit 3, Photochemistry of Alkenes लेकर मैं आपके सामने आई हूं। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर शालिनी सक्सेना, प्रोफेसर केमिस्ट्री, गवर्नमेंट MLB कॉलेज भोपाल। आज हमारा पेपर 2 का यूनिट 3 फोटोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ अल्कीन्स लेक्चर 1 है। आपको अभी तक फोटोकेमिस्ट्री यूनिट 1 और 2 में आपने फोटोकेमिस्ट्री क्या होती है, फोटोकेमिस्ट्री के रिएक्शंस के बारे में आपने पढ़ा है, बेसिक्स ऑफ फोटोकेमिस्ट्री, फोटोकेमिस्ट्री में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक्साइटेशंस कैसे होते हैं, ऑन एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशंस ये पढ़ा है, काइनेटिक्स पढ़ा है फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस का, क्या क्या एक्साइटेड स्टेट्स होती हैं, उनके क्या क्या फेट होते हैं एक्साइटेड स्टेट्स के, ये आप सब पढ़ चुके हैं। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आपको अल्कीन्स में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक्साइटेशंस के बारे में बताऊंगी, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट्स के बारे में बताऊंगी, व्हाट आर द एक्साइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ इथिलीन और अल्कीन, and the types of photochemical reaction which excited states of alkenes undergoes. For example, cis trans isomerization, dimerization of alkene, and also we will study about the photochemistry of conjugated dienes. अब कंटेंट के बारे में बताना चाहती हूं मैं आपको। सबसे पहले मैं इंट्रोडक्शन बताऊंगी आपको, अल्कीन्स किस तरह से फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस करता है, ऑन एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट रेडिएशंस ऑफ यूवी विजिबल रेंज, अल्कीन एब्जॉर्ब करता है रेडिएशंस, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशंस एंड एक्साइटेड स्टेट से पहुंचता है। नेक्स्ट मैं आपको डील करूंगी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट्स ऑफ अल्कीन और इथिलीन। एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब करके इथिलीन कौन से एक्साइटेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक्साइटेड स्टेट्स पर पहुंचता है। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन दैट alkenes undergo after absorption of light radiation of UV visible range. Cis trans isomerization occurs by different methods, either by direct irradiation, next by sensitization, and then second type of reaction are the dimerization of alkenes, then intramolecular dimerization, photochemistry of conjugated dienes, and excited state of butadiene. In photochemistry of conjugated dienes, we will take example of butadiene, and then I will explain the excited states of butadiene and the reactions of butadiene by direct irradiation or by irradiation in presence of sensitizer. With introduction, on absorption of light, alkenes are activated to higher excited state, that is the singlet state and the triplet state, and this excited state undergoes chemical reactions. अल्कीन जब यूवी विजिबल रेंज की लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करता है तो वह एक्साइटेड एनर्जी स्टेट्स पे आता है, जिन्हें हम सिंगलेट एक्साइटेड स्टेट या ट्रिपलेट एक्साइटेड स्टेट बोलते हैं, और ये एक्साइटेड स्टेट्स फिर केमिकल रिएक्शंस करवाते हैं। These reactions are mainly of three types, broadly of three types: cis-trans isomerization, dimerization and cycloaddition. अल्कीन्स द्वारा अभिक्रियाएं जो होती हैं वो मुख्यतः तीन प्रकार से विभाजित की गई हैं। पहली सिस ट्रांस आइसोमराइजेशन, दूसरा डाइमराइजेशन एंड तीसरा साइक्लोएडिशन। पहले हम बात करते हैं इथिलीन या अल्कीन के कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट्स प्राप्त होते हैं ऑन एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ यूवी विजिबल रेडिएशंस। इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन एब्जॉर्ब करने पर अल्कीन कौन सी एक्साइटेड स्टेट्स में पहुंचता है, ये आपको डायग्राम में दिख रहा है। S0 state, it is the ground state. On absorption of energy of 164 kilocalorie per mole, S1 state is reached. In this S1 state, the electrons are paired. इस excited state की लाइफ टाइम 10⁻⁻6 से कम होती है। S0 ground state also undergoes other excitations to S2 and S3 state, but these S2 and S3 states are of no use because in this state the lifetime of the excited state is very less, so it doesn't undergo chemical reactions. Next आपको T1 और T2 स्टेट दिख रही हैं। This T1 state is of much importance because it is low energy or T1 state is having more lifetime, that is from 10⁻³ to 1 second. This time is favorable for reaction to occur. But the T1 state is not reached by absorption of light by the S ground state. First, the S0 comes to S1 state or singlet excited state by absorption of light, and then only it can convert to T1 state through inter-system crossing. This you have studied in the explanation of Jablonski diagram in Unit 1. S1 state से ही T1 state प्राप्त होती है। S0 से T1 state डायरेक्टली नहीं आ सकती। पहले S0 excited state में पहुंचेगा, S1 state में पहुंचेगा, फिर S1 state इंटर सिस्टम क्रॉसिंग द्वारा T1 स्टेट में पहुंचता है। हमें डायरेक्टली T1 स्टेट प्राप्त नहीं होती। S1 converts to T1 state by the help of inter-system crossing, although this process is forbidden process as spin inversion occurs. S1 excited state में electrons are paired, but जैसे ही S1 से T1 में आते हैं, it occurs by spin inversion. So this process is known as inter-system crossing. The types of reaction by alkenes in this first type is cis-trans isomerization. This is the most commonly observed photochemical reaction of alkenes, which can occur by two methods, either by direct irradiation or by sensitization, or we can say sensitized irradiation. This isomerization reaction is usually associated with pi-pi antibonding excited state. इस प्रकार का आइसोमराइजेशन पाई एंटी बॉन्डिंग एक्साइटेड स्टेट से प्राप्त होता है। इसमें पाई एंटी बॉन्डिंग एक्साइटेड स्टेट प्राप्त होती है और ये दो विधियों द्वारा होता है, डायरेक्ट इरेडिएशन द्वारा या सेंसिटाइजेशन द्वारा। सेंसिटाइजेशन भी आप पढ़ चुके हैं, मैं अब फिर से बता दूंगी। द मोस्ट कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व्ड रिएक्शंस होते हैं सिस ट्रांस आइसोमराइजेशन थ्रू पाई एंटी बॉन्डिंग एक्साइटेशन। Cis trans isomerization is most common in stilbene. Stilbene is a olefin which undergoes cis trans isomerization when irradiated with UV visible light. This transformation or this cis trans isomerization can occur either by direct irradiation or by sensitized irradiation. In sensitized irradiation, sensitizers are used which absorb energy and come to triplet state, and then this sensitizer's triplet state gives energy to olefins so that it forms triplet excited state. This cis trans isomerization occurs through singlet or triplet state, more favorable by singlet state because the triplet state has lower barrier to rotation around carbon-carbon bond, and simple olefin absorbs light at about 200 nanometer, comes to excited singlet state, and then undergoes this cis trans isomerization. The cis trans isomerization can occur by, first method is by direct irradiation. Direct irradiation of simple alkene occur, although it is difficult. ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल कार्य होता है, लेकिन डायरेक्ट इरेडिएशन अल्कीन का होता है। होने के बाद जो आपको सिंगलेट स्टिल्बीन मिलता है, इट फॉर्म्स सिस एंड ट्रांस स्टिल्बीन। इरेडिएशन ऑफ आइदर सिस और ट्रांस स्टिल्बीन, स्टिल्बीन या तो सिस होता है या ट्रांस होता है, दोनों ही 313 नैनोमीटर पर एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं यूवी विजिबल रेडिएशंस, एंड जो प्रोडक्ट मिलता है दैट इज 93% सिस आइसोमर एंड ओनली 7% ट्रांस आइसोमर ऑफ स्टिल्बीन। ये डायरेक्ट इरेडिएशन की विधि है। इसमें स्टिल्बीन जो कि सिस या ट्रांस कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो लाइट रेडिएशन एब्जॉर्ब करता है, डायरेक्टली करता है एट 330 नैनोमीटर, और जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है वो 93% सिस आइसोमर और 7% ट्रांस आइसोमर ऑफ स्टिल्बीन इज फॉर्म। ये रिएक्शन देख लीजिए। First one is the trans isomer, the other one is cis isomer. दोनों को ही irradiate कराने पर either cis, this is cis and this is trans is formed. दोनों H अलग अलग दिशा में हैं, अलग अलग साइड हैं, इसको बोलते हैं ट्रांस आइसोमर, और यहाँ पर दोनों हाइड्रोजन एक ही ओर हैं, इसे बोलते हैं सिस आइसोमर। सिस या ट्रांस का इरेडिएट कराने पर ऑन डायरेक्ट इरेडिएशन इट गिव्स 93% cis isomer, it is more favorable product and major product, and 7% trans isomer is formed. This occurs at 313 nanometer. And this is the mechanism how cis trans isomerization occurs. Both this is cis isomer, this is trans isomer, both absorbs energy and forms this intermediate having free electron. These unpaired electron are present, and this intermediate is common for both the isomer, and the product formed is, this is cis isomer 93% and trans isomer only 7%. Next, these are some more examples of cis-trans isomerization. See, this is trans, this is cis. On irradiation, trans converts to cis because cis is more in amount. These are few examples of cis-trans isomerization of alkenes. You can give one or two examples. Next, second type of cis-trans isomerization can be through sensitization. This is known as sensitized cis-trans isomerization. This can be brought about by the use of a triplet sensitizer such as ketone. This is sensitization. Sensitization means a ketone. This is sensitizer usually taken as ketone. Ketone ground state absorbs energy in the form of photon, forms sensitized S1 state, yeah, sensitizer S1 state. Sensitizer means it is a ketone. We are taking example of ketone. Ketones ground state absorbs energy in the form of photon and forms S1 state. And then this S1 state of ketone undergoes inter-system crossing, spin inversion occurs. This is a forbidden process and forms the triplet excited state of ketone. Here ketone is known as sensitizer, so I have written sense. This sensitizer ground state absorbs energy in the form of photon, forms singlet excited state which undergoes inter-system crossing and forms triplet excited state of ketone. Now this excited triplet state of ketone interacts with alkene and forms alkene converts into triplet state and the sensitizer or the ketone comes to the ground state. This is known as energy transfer. This you must have studied in unit 1. एनर्जी ट्रांसफर की प्रोसेस हो रही है यहाँ पर सेंसिटाइजर एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है एनर्जी. देखिए यहाँ पर ग्राउंड स्टेट सेंसिटाइजर एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब करता है, सिंगलेट एक्साइटेड स्टेट बनाता है, देन इंटर सिस्टम क्रॉसिंग के बाद ये ट्रिपलेट एक्साइटेड स्टेट बनाता है. ये ट्रिपलेट एक्साइटेड स्टेट सेंसिटाइजर जो कि साधारणतः कीटोन होता है, ये अल्कीन को अपनी एनर्जी देता है और अल्कीन का ट्रिपलेट स्टेट प्राप्त होता है, सेंसिटाइजर अपने ग्राउंड स्टेट में आ जाता है. नाउ दिस excited singlet triplet state of alkene forms the intermediate. This is free radical intermediate and it forms the cis isomer. This is trans isomer. ट्रांस आइसोमर से आसानी से सिस आइसोमर बनता है और ये प्रोसेस हो रही है सेंसिटाइजर्स का उपयोग करके प्रोसेस हो रही है. ये सेंसिटाइजेशन की प्रोसेस है एंड दिस इज द एनर्जी ट्रांसफर. एनर्जी ऑफ द सेंसिटाइजर पास टू द अल्कीन and alkene comes in triplet state and this triplet state undergoes the reaction and forms cis isomer. Sometimes photochemical reaction of cis-trans type, cis-trans isomerization type take place in the presence of halogens. Here halogen absorb light in the form of photon for the alkene. See, halogen absorbs energy, free radicals of halogens are formed. This halogen free radical combines with the alkene and form excited free radical of alkene. which undergoes the isomerization and form. This is cis type 93% and this is trans type isomer only 7%. This is another method. Sometimes sensitization is carried out by the halogen also instead of ketone. Halogen absorbs energy and forms the excited state. This excited state of halogen reacts or interacts with the alkene, form excited alkenes, and the halogen is also attached with it. And after they lose the halogen and form the cis isomer, which is 93%, and trans isomer, which is only 7%. Next type of reaction are dimerization of alkene. An alkene in its triplet state, or you can say T1 state, reacts with the same type of molecule, अपने ही जैसे मॉलिक्यूल से रिएक्ट करता है या इंटरैक्ट करता है, और इसे हम कहते हैं फोटोडाइमराइजेशन. और यदि एक्साइटेड ट्रिपलेट अल्कीन अपने से अलग अल्कीन के साथ इंटरैक्ट करे या रिएक्ट करे तो हम इसे कहते हैं फोटोसाइक्लो एडिशन and a cyclobutane derivative is formed. फिर से सुन लीजिए. Dimerization of alkene is another type of reaction which alkene usually take. An alkene in its triplet state reacts with another molecule of same type. If another molecule is of same type like this alkene, then it is known as photodimerization. Same type of alkene molecules, two molecules take part and form dimer. But if this excited alkene approaches a different type of alkene and form a cyclobutane type of derivative. Dimerization of simple alkene is a little bit difficult. This is the alkene. Two molecules of alkene undergo, this is example of ethylene. Two molecules of ethylene on absorption of light forms triplet excited state, then forms dimer. This is dimerization reaction. Two molecules of alkene absorbs light and form dimer product. Dimerization of alkene is stereospecific. See, if two cis isomer of two cis 2-butene molecules are there, this absorbs light of 214 nanometer and form cis dimer and cis anti-cis dimer, this type. चार जो H हैं वो एक तरह से रह सकते हैं. यहाँ पर H और CH3 सब लगे हुए हैं. They either remain on the same side or on a different side. इस साइड सेम साइड है तो सिस आइसोमर, डिफरेंट साइड है तो ट्रांस आइसोमर. एंड इफ टू ट्रांस ब्यूटीन takes part in the reaction of dimerization, these type of products are formed. Cis anti-cis dimer or trans anti-trans dimer. These are the dimerization reaction which is very stereospecific. Next, intramolecular dimerization. Non-conjugated dienes. Butadiene is a type of conjugated diene, but in non-conjugated dienes, intramolecular dimerization takes place and bicyclic products are formed. The product depends upon the number of CH2 groups between the two double bond. दो डबल बॉन्ड के बीच में एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे डबल बॉन्ड है और बीच में देखिए n number of CH2 are there. This absorbs light not directly but with the help of sensitizer and form this bicyclo compound. Bicyclic products are formed. These are some more examples of photoreaction in which bicyclic products are formed. This occur by triplet state. Now we come to photochemistry of conjugated dienes. Taking example of butadiene in solution. Normally, if butadiene is present, it exists as a mixture of trans and cis isomers. Trans is 95% and trans isomer is cis isomer is 95% and trans cis isomer is 5% and trans isomer is 95%. Usually when butadiene is present in solution. And on irradiation, H nu, by absorbing H nu, light in the form of photon, S trans isomer form this type of intermediate and cis isomer form this type of intermediate. In this, C2 and C3 carbon is more covalently bonded. See, in this, you can see the energy diagram. S0 ground state of trans absorbs energy of 107 to 124 kilocalorie per mole, and then it comes to the triplet state by intersystem crossing, and in cis isomer the ground state absorbs energy, reaches to S1 state, and then comes to triplet state having lower energy than the triplet state of trans. It is 59.6 kilocalorie and here it is 53.5 kilocalorie. On irradiation, butadiene, an electron is excited from pi to pi antibonding excited state, which give rise to the increased bonding. Bonding is increased between C2 and C3. C2 and C3 bonding is increased. The intermediate formed is having free radical at extreme positions. And see, this type of mechanism takes place. This is trans butadiene on absorption of light comes to excited triplet state, which undergoes this type of mechanism. Biradical is formed and cyclization takes place. This is the triplet singlet excited state of butadiene and forms bicyclobutane. The two cycles are formed. This reaction usually occurs by singlet excited state of butene. See, this is the cis type of butadiene. It undergoes energy, light radiation or irradiation, absorption of light, and forms the singlet excited state of this type. This is the intermediate, and cyclobutene is formed. On direct irradiation of butadiene, cyclobutene and bicyclobutane is formed. If we take solution concentrated and 1,3-butadiene is irradiated, the dimer formation takes place. If the solution of butadiene is concentrated and then if it is irradiated, dimerization occurs and four type of products are formed. Two molecules excited state of butadiene interacts with ground state of butadiene and four type of products are formed. Structure 1, structure 2, 3 and 4. See on the screen, it is visible. These four products or four dimers are formed when concentrated solution of butadiene is taken. Next, the irradiation of butadiene by the help of sensitizers. This is known as sensitized irradiation of butadiene. Here sensitizers for butadiene are usually ketone. Ketone absorbs light of 74 kilocalorie per mole. For butadiene, it comes to excited state, singlet, then triplet of ketone gives the energy to the ground state of butadiene, and these products are formed. Here triplet butadiene undergoes the dimerization type of reaction. These type of products are formed. This is known as sensitized irradiation of butadiene. Irradiation is done by two types, either by direct or by sensitized. When sensitized irradiation occurs, butadiene is irradiated in presence of sensitizer, which are usually ketone. The product formed is by triplet state and differ. The products are formed are dimers rather than the cyclobutene. For further reading, you can refer to Photochemistry by Singh and Mukherjee, Photochemical Reactions by Springer, or Photochemistry by Alka Gupta. This was all about photochemistry of alkene. Now time to assess yourself. Some questions in front of you. Which excitation is most common in alkenes? Alkenes में कौन सा excitation सबसे अधिक पाया जाता है? इसका आंसर है pi antibonding transition, because there is double bond, pi bond is formed. Excitation is of pi antibonding on absorption of light radiations of UV visible range. The correct answer is pi to pi antibonding. Next question. Next question for you is, which reactions are favored by triplet state of butadiene? ब्यूटाडाइन की ट्रिपलेट स्टेट से कौन से प्रकार की अभिक्रियाएं ज्यादा होती हैं? द आंसर फॉर दिस इज डाइमराइजेशन. ट्रिपलेट स्टेट का लाइफ टाइम सिंगलेट से अधिक होता है. उसके पास इतना समय होता है कि वो दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल के पास जाके इंटरेक्ट करे और डाइमराइजेशन करवा सके. तो दिस आंसर इज द करेक्ट आंसर, डाइमराइजेशन. Triplet state of butadiene undergoes dimerization reaction. Thank you.